Kadala Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus ngo malbe shakam phone tuner mala dema ay lehle di doya men di zaya de barlam min pencil barlam yala yim katwa mbatam sa hal ay gbele ba anti amla batter kadane ama phone ngo mal batter karle nya phone kam de mala 5200 million power battery means phone ngo to take a day ka bu charger anti an phone ngo batter ngo galse shamo den charger slow ama phone ngo to charge at 0 100 within 15 minutes, be 45 minutes. Dema, the camera with 45 watts fast charger. Wireless charging. The reverse wireless charging means phone want to charge the phone taba. The camera to lay the screen. Phone ngoma la 1.78 inch display. Can you 44 Hz refresh rate? Can you 1.4K AMOLED display? Phone ngo picture bia camera the phone. Ne the screen. Kaya the battery. Kaya the fast charging ngoma. Ban your game gonna bomb another processor mean the memory. Bula nyale phone ngoma la the best processor shale first phone shale love processor man kenyela phone ngo drenye Helio G200 kamera 8 gig RAM processor ma chami ka phone ngo battery banyura dama ay male nyar game phone ma be enjoy ba lede tu battery ma alan to mal be social media Facebook be TikTok be YouTube de kon la smooth ka scroll la de slow yura be karba lagra atinya mensa kay ne ko to da phone be nye pukara kay ne ko to da phone dama tankpa be kom sa anda phone ma anto da phone dama phone ngo be zwar kom demi zwar tankpa ama cha tega na zoy viala aw me song de swelne nuko kala ngum de jabo kumsi inte kala be yaro ngo ka sungo ka tian la phone ngo mala lare phone ngo kalare Spark 40 Pro Spark 40 Pro Plus déjà da ko dwela tan bom ay to da phone ngo dina ba pa 1 month ka phone ngo screen ma Tecno no mi yan talata eso zombion chang inte bo phone ngo ay nyangu nyer gembe akunyala ngunye social media lover kabor phone shall de to multitask ka tuntum shall kam ambara nyimbo phone wo she wil mo rada mo video mo so ay pa ma ka like ka share ka comment ka repost din ya chara pa ga bangwa nya ka bwanya mpa